Hello and welcome to our PSL Awards. Here are the winners of the PSL 2026 Awards for the 2025-26 campaign. MTN 8 Last Man Standing, Tshepang Moremi from Orlando Pirates. Carling Knockout Player of the Tournament, Mbegezeli Mbokazi from Orlando Pirates. Nedbank Cup Most Promising Player of the Tournament, Saluleko Mahlambi, TS Galaxy. Nedbank Cup Player of the Tournament, Darren Kidd from Durban City. DStv Diski Challenge Top Goal Scorer, Bennett Mokoena from Mamelodi Sundowns. DStv Diski Challenge Player of the Season, Bennett Mokoena from Mamelodi Sundowns. Motsepe Foundation Championship Top Goal Scorer. It's two players. Ntutuko Mlojwa from Lerumo Lions and Ronaldo van Niel from Hungry Lions. Motsepe Foundation Championship Young Player of the Season, Gabriel Amato from Cape Town City FC. Motsepe Foundation Championship Goalkeeper of the Season, Mickey van der Hart from Cape Town City FC. Motsepe Foundation Championship Players Player of the Season, Emil Witbooi from Cape Town City FC. PSL Assistant Referee of the Year, Nandipha Menzi. PSL Referee of the Year, Eugene Mdluli. Betway Premiership Goalkeeper of the Season, Sipho Chain from Orlando Pirates. Betway Premiership Defender of the Season, Lebone Siema from Orlando Pirates. Betway Premiership Midfielder of the Season, Ozwina Police from Orlando Pirates. Betway Premiership Young Player of the Season, Relebohile Mofokeng from Orlando Pirates. Betway Premiership Goal of the Season, Cameron Danson against Mamelodi Sundowns of Orlando Pirates. Betway Premiership Top Goal Scorer, Said Junior Dion from Lamontville Golden Arrows. Betway Premiership Coach of the Season, Abdeslam Owadu from Orlando Pirates. Betway Premiership Players Player of the Season, Relebohile Mofokeng from Orlando Pirates. PSL Chairman's Award is posthumously awarded to the late Jayden Adams from Mamelodi Sundowns. And then finally, the last one, PSL Footballer of the Season, Relebohile Mofokeng from Orlando Pirates. Those are the PSL awards for the 2025-26 season. Now let me hear your thoughts. Do you agree with these awards? Let me hear your thoughts down below. With Kaizer Chiefs not winning a single award and Mamelodi Sundowns only winning one award, these awards have been dominated by the Betway Premiership champions, Orlando Pirates. Do you agree with the winners of these awards? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.